You booked a massage to melt stress away. But what if you're accidentally sabotaging the whole experience?
Rushing in at the last minute keeps your body in stress mode. Arrive about 15 minutes early. It gives your nervous system time to slow down. And avoid heavy meals right before your massage. Once the massage starts, speak up. Your therapist needs feedback. Pressure too much or too little. Also, consciously relax your muscles. Tension blocks the benefits. When it's over, don't rush away. Sit quietly for a moment. Take a jacuzzi to refresh your mind. Drink herbal tea to flush out the remaining toxins, and let your body absorb the work. Avoid these simple mistakes, and every massage becomes deeper, longer-lasting relaxation.
Blossamin Spa